Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back to Fashion Blast. If you have been wondering how to take care of your look without surgery or fancy treatments, the answer is simple: the right hairstyle and hair color. Today I am sharing the best anti-aging hairstyles and hair color that instantly make you look younger. So grab your cup of coffee and let's dive right in. First up, layers. A soft layered cut works like magic. It adds bounce, movement, and volume to your hair, things we tend to lose with age. The more life is in your hair, the more youthful you look. Next, the long bob or lob is such a flattering style for women over 40 and 50. It frames your face, gives that polished yet effortless vibe, and keeps you looking fresh without the heaviness of long hair. Now, let's talk about bangs. Yes, bangs can totally take care of your face, especially side sweep bangs. They soften line They soften fine lines on your foreheads and make your overall look more playful and youthful. And if you are bold and love low maintenance styles, a short textured pixie cut is the ultimate anti-aging look. It highlights your features, gives your face an instant lift, and make your make you look vibrant. Add some soft waves to your bob and boom, you have got a hairstyle that screams youthful energy. Waves add body movement and that carefree look that makes you look glow. Now let's move to color. Dark flat shades can sometimes make us look older. Instead, go for light face framing highlights. Think honey, caramel, or warm blonde tones around your face. It brightens up your skin and makes you look radiant. Balayage magic, another trend that works beautifully, is Balayage. It blends darker roots with lighter and in the most natural way. Not only does it add dimension, but it also gives the sun-kissed youthful vibe we all love. Silver cheek looks. And let's not forget silver hair. Instead of hiding grays, embrace them with the right cut and shine. Warm brown shade. If you want to stick to brown, choose warm shades of cashews, toffee, or golden brown. They soften your features and keep your skin looking fresh and glowing. So my dear friends, if you like my video, please press the like button and also share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel for more inspiring videos.